Learning to DJ, especially if you're a Gen Xer like me, will change your life. When I started DJing at 48, I wasn't looking for fame or followers. I was looking for myself. And after years of feeling invisible and tired and boxed in by who I thought I was supposed to be, I just wanted something that felt like mine. Most people tell themselves, I'm too old to start that, or I'd probably embarrass myself. But here's the truth. The real risk isn't looking silly. It's staying stuck and never trying and letting your joy wither away. And you know, the thing that saved me wasn't just learning to DJ. It was going live and DJing. Unready, imperfect, scared, and doing it anyway. And what I ended up learning was that not only did live streaming my DJ sets help me 10x my technical abilities, live streaming my DJ sets made me a braver, freer, more alive version of myself. And it can do that for you too. I went from shaky backyard streams, DJing to an empty chat and feeling like a complete imposter, to becoming a Twitch partner, building a global community, and getting a bunch of IRL gigs. It transformed not just my mixing skills, but my entire sense of self. Every live stream was like fuel. It multiplied my skills, it expanded my audience, and most importantly, it healed something inside me I didn't know was broken. And I'm here to show you how it works, even if you're starting from zero. When I hit go live that first time, I barely knew what I was doing. I'm not exaggerating. I had the bare minimum DJ skills, like just enough to move between tracks without totally train wrecking the beat. My controller, entry level. My hands, shaky. My setup, laughably simple. And inside I kept thinking, you should wait. You're not good enough yet. You need more practice before anyone sees this. But something inside me knew that if I waited until I felt ready, I might never start. The minute I went live, the fear didn't vanish, but it kind of became background noise. And what took over was the rush of doing things in real time, of pushing through the imperfection. And here's the crazy part. Going live when I was underprepared actually made me learn faster. Every set taught me something. Every mistake sharpened my ear. Every awkward transition forced me to take a shot. No, I'm kidding. It forced me to adjust, to adapt, and improve. And it was in real life. So waiting to feel ready is a trap. You grow by doing, by showing up half-baked. Half-baked? By letting the process itself shape you. If I had waited to become a good DJ before live streaming, I would have missed out on the very tool that helped me 10x my skills. Half-baked. I'm so immature. When I started streaming, it was just me. No one in the chat, no emotes, just me and my little quiet viewer count stuck at 0. And I would finish a set sweaty and hopeful, only to realize, oh my God, nobody was even here. And let me tell you, nothing pokes at your self-doubt like performing into silence. And I wondered, why am I even doing this? Who cares? But over time, I realized I wasn't just live streaming for them. I really was live streaming for me. To stay accountable, to keep pushing my creativity even when no one showed. I was building up muscle memory. I was building confidence, and I was building the bones of a community that didn't exist yet. And little by little, someone would wander in, drop a comment, and maybe come back next time. The room didn't stay empty forever. Your audience often arrives after you've proven to yourself that you'll show up anyway. Live streaming my DJ sets taught me that consistency creates connection, but it starts with committing when no one's clapping yet. Those lonely streams are where I found my resilience, and that resilience is what built the audience later. When I first started, I was haunted by this voice in my head. You don't have the right skills for this. I thought real DJs were born with some magical ear, that they just knew how to mix and blend and read a crowd and pick the perfect track. Meanwhile, I was Googling things like, what even is beat matching? And why does my transition sound like a train crash? I felt clumsy, behind, and like I'd missed the years when you're supposed to be learning stuff like this. But here's what I realized. DJing is a muscle, it's not magic. Every live stream became my practice room. Every set, even the awkward ones, and let's be honest, they mostly were, gave me a chance to try, fail, and adjust, and to get better in real time. Turns out you don't need a hidden talent. You just need reps. The act of live streaming forced me to level up faster than if I'd just practiced alone. Because when you hit go live, You commit. You sharpen your instincts. You pay attention. You don't need to show up already polished. You need to show up willing. And the skills that you think are keeping you stuck, they're built inside the process, not before it. Live streaming didn't just showcase my growth, it created it. And it will do the same for you if you let it. And if you're thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but how do I actually set up my live stream without a tech meltdown or a million cables everywhere? Well, don't worry. I got you. Go watch my next video where I take you behind the scenes of my own DJ live stream setup. I'll show you exactly what gear I use, how to keep it simple, and the small tweaks that make a big difference, even if you're just starting out. Because live streaming your DJ sets isn't just about hitting go live. It's about creating a vibe, owning your space, and stepping fully into your power as a creator. And trust me, you're closer than you think.